Good morning, friends. I hope everyone is doing well. I request everyone to watch my videos in a sequence for better understanding. If you really like my videos, please press the like button, share the videos with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell button to get the regular updates. In this video, I want to discuss one of the gate question which came in the year 2015. First, let me read out the question, then we will discuss about it. Consider the following routing table. It consists of three attributes. One is the network number, network mask, and next hop. See, the network number is nothing but the network ID also. Network mask or subnet mask, you can call it as, and even the next hop, which interface the router has to transfer the data. They have given 5 network numbers including the default one, and network mask they have given as 255.255.254.0, and it is applied for to these two networks also, and another one also they have given 255.255.255.0. so all these network masks are same. Okay, so if it is network masks are same, then I can say that it is a fixed length subnetting. If I call this each one as a subnet mask, I can say that this is a fixed length subnetting. And they have given the next hop as I0, I1, R2, R3. And as you already know, the default mask is 0.0.0.0. So let me write that one. So default is 0.0.0. So if they does not mention it, you have to write it. Okay. Now they have given a match the following, like they have given the group 1 and group 2. In group 1 they have given a certain packets consist of destination IP. So this is the destination IP addresses are there, and they have given interface 0, I0, I1, R2, R3 and R4, and then they have given the 4 options. You have to select the right option. So now let me discuss about it. What should I do? The simple step is that I need to take the IP address and I need to perform the AND with the network mask. Okay, so let's take that 128.96.171.92 I have to take, and then I have to perform the bitwise AND with the network mask 255.255.254.0. Okay, if I get the bitwise AND as this number, then I can say that this packet is belongs to the network which is having the network number this 0, so that I have to transfer the packet using the next hop as I0. This is the simple one. Okay, so now if you perform 128 and 255, as I already discussed in the previous lecture, the 255 is nothing but all 8 ones. Am I right? 8 ones if I take, it will be 255 if I convert into binary number. And 128 is nothing but 1 0 0 0 0 0 0. Am I right or wrong? Now if I perform bitwise AND, what is bitwise AND? 1 and 1 you will get 1, 1 and 0 you will get 0, 0 and 0 bitwise AND you will get 0, 0 and 1 bitwise AND is also 0. So whenever both the inputs are 1, then the result is 1. Am I right? So it will be 1 0 0 0 0 0 0. Now if I convert this 170s into decimal number, what I will get? I will get 128. So what I want to say the point is that with 255, with something if you perform bitwise AND, you will get this one only. Suppose in this example, if I perform 255 and 96 bitwise AND, what I will get? 96 only. That is what I want to say. Okay. Now 128.96 I got. Now 254, can you tell me how to perform or how to represent in a binary number? 254 means 7 ones I will keep and 0, because this bit value is 1 into 2 power 0. So 1. So from 255, if I subtract 1, I will get 254. So 8 bits are nothing but 255. So if I make this one as 0, it will become 254. If you want to convert the decimal number to binary number, you can do it. Means divide by 2, coefficient and remainder you can keep. You will get the same value. Now 171 is nothing but 128. Okay. 64 if I do 192 it will become. Okay. 64 I cannot keep. 32 I can keep. Am I right? 128 plus 32 is how much? 160. Am I right? So it will become 160. Then I need to add 11 to it. It will become 171. So 11 means 4 ones at the last. So here I will keep 0. See, this is the shortcuts I am using. Okay, because this place location I know 128, this is 64, this is 32, this is 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. Okay, so with that one I am doing it directly. If you want to convert the decimal number to binary number also with normal procedure, you can do it, but it will take time. Okay. Now 1 and 1 bitwise and you will get 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. So now can you tell me what is this number is? 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. So from this is 171. Am I right? Now from if you take these two, only here it was 1 and it became 0 here. So this number will be, I can say that 170. Will you accept it as 170 or not? Because if this number is 171 and only in this position you have kept 0. Am I right? The same remaining things are same. So 171 minus 1 is nothing but 170. If you want to verify, you can verify. Convert this binary number into decimal number. You will get the 170. So this is 170. Now similarly, remember one thing. Whatever you have taken bitwise and with 0, you will get 0 only. Am I right? Will you accept that one? So what is the number you got? 128.96.170.0. Now you verify. 128.96.170.0 is here. So if you perform the destination IP address with the network mask bitwise and you got this network number or network ID. So then meaning is that it is matching with this one. So you have to transfer the data using the next hop I0. So it is, I can say that 1 is matching with A. Okay, is it clear? Now we will take the next one. What is the next one? 2 is saying that IP address is 128.96.167.151. Now again you perform the subnet mask bitwise end, because all the subnet masks are same or network masks are same. So you will perform 255.255.254.0. If it is not matching with this one, then you will check whether it is matching with this one, not this one, not this one, then this one we will verify. Okay, so can you tell me 128 and 255 if I perform bitwise and what I will get? If you know the answer, you can write it in the comment section. I can clearly say that it is 128 and this is 96. Okay, this is 0. Will you agree with or not? Okay, 151 and 0 you will get 0. Now we have to take the 167. 167, can I write it as 128? Okay. And 32 can I add? 128 plus 30 will become 160. Then what should I do? 7 I can write it as 3 ones. So 2 zeros. So this is the shortcut I am using. Okay, with more practice you can also write it directly like this. Instead of converting into binary number 8 bits and writing like this. How I am doing? 128 plus 32 is 160. This is 7. So it is 167. And this is 254. So last bit only you have to keep 0. Then if you perform bitwise and what you will get, can you tell me? 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 0. So what is this number? Can you tell me? This is 128, this is 32. So this is 128 plus 32 plus 4 plus 2. So this is how much? 166. Okay, if you want to verify, you can verify it also. Okay, even you can check like this also. This is matching with everything with this one except this bit and this bit. So if you subtract 1 from the 167, you will get 166, or you can write like this also. So this is matching with what? 128.96.166.0. So it is not matching with this one. It is not matching with this one. It is matching with this one. So what I can say, this packet, the router will transfer using the interface R2, or the next hop R2. So 2 is matching with C. So write the 2 is matching with C. Okay. Now we will take the third IP address, which is 128.96.163.151. So 128.96.163.151. In the meantime, you can pause the video and you can do this one and check the answer with me. Okay, which is I need to perform the bitwise AND with 255.255.254.0. Now 128 and 255 will bitwise AND will be 128. This will be 96. Now 163 I need to verify. 163 I can represent as 128 plus 32 is 160, and 3 I can represent as 2 bits. So this is 1105. So you take 3 bits. So this is the binary representation for 163. How I have written? 128 plus 32 is 160. 160 plus 3 is 163. Okay. Now this is 254. I can write like this. Okay. Are you able to follow? Now perform the bitwise AND. 1 and 1 is 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. Am I right or wrong? Can you tell me what is this number? 128 plus 32. If you want, I will do for you. 128 plus 32 plus 2, which is equal to 162. So write the 162 here. And 151 and 0. Because 0, if you convert into binary number of 8 bits, you will get all zeros at that one. So if whatever the number on this side, like 151, if you perform with the zeros bitwise AND, obviously you will get 0. So let me write it directly as 0 instead of converting this number into binary and then bitwise AND. Obviously if you do like this also, you will get 0 only. So which is matching with what? 128.96.162.0 is not matching with any one. Am I correct or wrong? This is not matching with this one. This is not matching with this one. This is not matching with this one. Then this is not matching with this one. Then you can ask me like this, sir, it is not matching with this one. So this packet is not traversed using network interface or next hop as I0, I1, R2 and R3. Then what you can do is that this IP address 128.96.163.151, you perform bitwise AND with 0, 0.0.0. Is it clear? Then you will get 0.0.0.0 because this is the subnet mask for the default. Okay, so which is matching with this one. Then packet 3 means IP address 3 will be traversed using the next hop R4, which is matching with the E. So 3 is matching with E. Please note down that one. Okay. Now we will take the fourth packet or fourth IP address, which is 128.96.165.121. Now again take the subnet mask or network mask, which is 255.255.254.0. You can pause the video and you can try it also, and then you verify the answer with me. 128 and 255, if I perform bitwise AND, I will get 128 and I will get 96 here, and here I will get 0. Now this value I need to check it. 165 I can write it as 128 plus 32 Okay, then 5, how I can write? 101. If you want to verify, you can verify. 2 2s are 4, remainder is 1, 2 1s are 0. So this is 5101. Let me write 101. So 6 bits I got, remaining 2 bits are 0. Okay. So this is 165 conversion into binary number. With a shortcut I have done. Okay. Now 254. 1111110. Am I right or wrong? So 1 and 1 bitwise and what? It is 1 0 1 0 0 1 0 0. Now if you convert this binary number into decimal, this will be 128. See, those who know the conversion of binary to decimal, they can easily understand it. Or what is the normal procedure we will do? This is 0 into 2 power 0 plus 0 into 2 power 1 plus 1 into 2 power 2. Like that I will write, because each bit has a weight. This is 2 power 0's weight, this is 2 power 1 weight, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4, 2 power 5, 2 power 6, 2 power 7. So 1 into 2 power 7 is 128. 1 into 2 power 5 is 32, because remaining things will become 0. 1 into 2 power 2 is 4. So if I perform addition, I will get 164. So this value I am getting it as 164. So 128.96.164.0 is matching with this one. So then what is the next hop? R3. The packet 4 has to traverse with the help of next hop as R3. So 4 is what? Can you tell me? Is matching with the D. Now we have solved the question. Now we need to find out which is the right option. Okay. Now see the first one. 1 is A. Okay. 2 is say it is saying. Okay. 3 is E. 4 is D. So I can say that the right option is option A. Why not B? 2 is saying it is D, but however it is C. So B is not the correct answer. Okay. Now why not C? First one is A, but these two are saying as B. So option C and option D are wrong. So the right answer for this question is option A. I hope you have understood how I solve this question. It is very simple. Okay. If you have watched my previous video without watching the complete video, you can solve this question by yourself. See, this is the destination IP address. This destination IP address has to perform bitwise AND with the network mask. Then whatever the IP address is you are getting, if it is matching with this one, then you will send the packet using I0. If it is matching with this one, then you will send it to using I1. If it is matching with this one, you will send to R2. If it is matching with this one, R3. If it is not matching with any one, obviously it will match with this one. Then you will send with next hop as R4. Okay. So if you still have any doubts, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will try to clear your doubts in less than 24 hours. If you really like my teaching and my efforts, please press the like button, share the videos with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell button to get the regular updates. Thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day.